Facing the music. Understanding a classic English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the idiom, "I'll face the music." It's a phrase you might encounter in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. So, if you've ever been curious about what it means to face the music, you're in the right place. The phrase, "face the music," has a metaphorical meaning. It means to confront the consequences of one's actions, especially when those consequences are likely to be unpleasant or unfavorable. Imagine you've done something wrong, and now it's time to admit your mistake and deal with the fallout. That's exactly what facing the music is all about. The exact origin of "face the music" is a bit of a mystery, with several theories floating around. One popular theory suggests it comes from the world of theater or the military, where performers or soldiers had to face the music, literally the orchestra or band, when it was time to perform or face a challenging situation. Despite the uncertainty of its origins, the phrase has been a staple in the English language for many years, embodying the idea of confronting reality, no matter how tough it may be. To help you understand how to use this idiom in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. After making a mistake at work, Tom said, "I guess it's time to face the music and explain what happened to my boss." Julia spent all her savings on a luxury holiday, and now she has to face the music when her rent is due. In these sentences, "face the music" is used to describe the act of dealing with the repercussions of one's actions. Idioms like "I'll face the music" enrich the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. They can express complex ideas succinctly and vividly, making our speech more engaging and relatable. Understanding these expressions is key to mastering English, as it not only helps you comprehend the language better but also enables you to communicate more naturally and effectively. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, "I'll face the music." We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression and how it's used to convey the idea of confronting one's consequences. Remember, idioms are a window into the cultural and historical nuances of a language, so embracing them can significantly enhance your linguistic journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.